Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can easily use Midjourney to generate beautiful AI images. So first thing you want to do is go over to midjourney.com, press enter, and then it will take you to this beautiful web page. You have to click on sign in right here, and then when it loads up, you have to create your Discord account. I have my Discord account already created, so I can authorize Midjourney bot to access my Discord account. When you create your Discord account, you have to verify it. So go to your email and then click on verify, and then go back and click here on authorize. Then it will open your Midjourney. So this is my home page. This is images that I have already generated. You can see explore page right here. And this is community feed where other creators upload their art. Then you can see rank in pairs, and down here you can manage sub, help and FAQ, and then you have settings down here. And you can go over here to sign out, go to Discord, view pass, or manage sub. So if you want to go to Discord, you will actually have a button here to connect with Discord. So you have to click on that and then accept invite from Midjourney to Discord server. If you are already done that, then it will take you automatically to Discord. I have to go there since I have already my account, so open Discord in your browser. And it will open your Discord like this, and it will send you to this Discord server. It's Midjourney official server. It's like 15 million members. It's crazy, guys. You have to go over to direct messages, Midjourney bot. And now, as you can see, you can just press slash and imagine and then space, and it will prompt right like this. Then you can write what you want to generate. So let's say I want to generate man flying in space without spacesuit and dancing to music, realistic, and then dash dash AR, that means aspect ratio, and you pick aspect ratio, so let's say 16:9 or portrait 9:16, and then press enter. As you can see, it is waiting to start, but if you haven't done this already, you will need to accept terms of service of Midjourney. So if you just type this prompt, then Midjourney will ask you to accept terms of services, and you just click on accept TOS. And then it may ask you to subscribe to their plan. So it will take you to this page, and you have to subscribe to $10 a month or $8 a month if you pay annually. So it's really simple, guys. As you can see, when you've done all that, then you just type your comment. And as you can see here, it says percentage, so 93%. And it's already done. As you can see, it's not without spacesuit, as you can see, but it's really awesome. See, it's created these beautiful images, but these are only drafts. If you want to create a full resolution one, you just have to click on this upscale. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to click on upscale, the one you want to, or you can create versions of this. So let's say different version of 2 or different version of 3. So I really like the first one, so I will click upscale 1, and you will see how much drastically it will up the quality of this picture. So just wait for that to happen. And now look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. You can open it in browser. See? Damn. That art is beautiful. Like AI has come really a long way, damn, in the last years. That's sick. That's pretty sick. Okay. So if you enjoyed this, if this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Check out my playlist on Midjourney on this channel and see more tutorials to learn more about Midjourney. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.